There are hundreds of web hosting providers available in the market, all claiming to give the best service. But how do we choose the best web hosting for our website? Welcome to our channel, Website and App Development. Please subscribe to our channel. Did you ever notice that some websites load really fast, whereas some take a lot of time? Well, there may be many factors that affect the loading speed of a website, but the web hosting is one of the major factors for the speed in loading. The things to consider for choosing the best web hosting services in India. Let's get to the 5 most important points while choosing the web hosting in India. Number 1 is a good uptime. Number 2 is the speed. Number 3 is the customer support. Fourth, the local payment options. And fifth, the data centers location close to India. Other features also include that every web hosting provider offers include email accounts, FTP access, and WordPress support. FTP access will allow you to transfer your created web pages from a computer to the web server. Hosting providers offer different types of web hosting services like website builder, shared hosting, dedicated hosting, co-located hosting, etc. The Linux or Windows server is functionally equivalent. They will differ in cost, ease of use, versatility, and stability. The selection between the two depends on your hosting requirements. The cost of a Windows server will be slightly more than that of Linux. The Linux web servers will allow you to run the scripts in PHP, Perl, Python, and some other Unix-oriented languages. Most of the time, uh, it supports MySQL and PostgreSQL databases. Windows Web Server, on the other hand, will allow you to run ASP scripts and utilize the Microsoft technologies like the .NET technology, Microsoft SQL Server, and Access databases are also supported by these type of web servers. Now let's come down to the top 5 web hosting services in India. At number 5 we have GoDaddy. GoDaddy is the fifth web hosting providers in India currently. It is easy to install a WordPress website on GoDaddy and it's probably a matter of couple of minutes. At number 4 we have BigRock. BigRock offers powerful solutions and backs them up with a high performance and decent support. BigRock is a respectable company with a competitive offer for both Linux and Windows users. Something that really helped this company over the years is winning the trust is its unbeatable simplicity and transparency in the features and prices. Besides being cheap, the services offered by this company don't have any hidden charges. At number 3 we have HostGator. HostGator is the first choice of many of the Indian users as they rely a lot on this company since it is one of the oldest hosting companies. HostGator has a wide range of plans, which is why a user should easily find the most appropriate plans. Besides cheapest prices and varied plans, the best host is with a 99.9% uptime. HostGator also gives the full cPanel, a 45-day refund policy, an excellent support, and an Indian location, and much more. I personally use HostGator for many of my websites, and I can say you that the service has been pretty good, so this can be worth a try. At number 2, we have Bluehost. Bluehost is actually a super popular choice among many bloggers and affiliate marketers because of their outstanding features, price, and services. Bluehost is fast all around the glove, but you can expect just average speeds if you're only targeting Indian audiences. And finally, at the number one spot is Hostinger. Hostinger is undoubtedly the best. It has a great speed and the uptime tests were remarkable. Hostinger's servers page load times were close to perfect, and the web servers performed extremely well even at high loads. Definitely a great environment for a fast and active website. Hostinger is also known for its robust services and a hefty discounts, so you can negotiate with them for good discounts too. It's even more affordable as you can see the prices in India, and the support often spices up with more offers and additional features. This definitely makes it one of the top choices for hosting. So this is all about the top 5 web hosting services. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us too. Thank you.